Hey guys, it's Bryce here, Director and Head of Marketing from Ambitious Digital. In this quick video, I'm just going to show you a tutorial on how you can use Microsoft Planner within Microsoft Teams. This is one of the most popular app within Microsoft Teams we always recommend to companies to use, and this helps you set tasks to your team members essentially. So let's dive into my laptop right now and I'll show you how it works. Let's get started. Alright, so we're inside Microsoft Teams now. So this is just a demo account, just as a heads up. So all the names and information is obviously fake, so just for privacy reasons, but all the functionalities are still exactly the same. Now for Microsoft Planner, the first thing we need to do is add it into our team. So I've created these demo teams and there's one called marketing team. So I'm going to add it into that team here. Now to do that, you just click this little plus tab, add a tab. Find Microsoft Planner, which is this little symbol here. Now you want to we'll give it a name. Let's just keep it simple. Let's just call it Marketing Planner. You can choose to post it to the channel if you want your other team members to know that it was just created. You can also use an existing planner from another team if you already have a one that was made. But this one, for instance, we're starting from scratch. Let's click Save. All right, so now you want to build out your planner. So they call them buckets at the top, which are essentially just titles within your planner. And you can break it down here however you want. But I thought the marketing one would be good to break down as it would be the most obvious. So you could do social media, paid advertising. Maybe we could do email marketing. As you can see, it's just you can add as many as you want, so it can be as simple as complex as you like it to be. One more other one. Maybe it could, yeah, let's just go. Maybe it could even be like a campaign. So let's go new product campaign. Okay, so now you've built out your buckets or titles, whatever you want to call them. Now you can start adding tasks to your team members. So you can call give the task a name. So under social media, we could say, post on Facebook page. Say, look, that needs to be done by Tuesday next week. And you can assign it to who the person you want it to do. So let's give it to old Emily. Add task. Once you added it, you can click on it and it will expand and it will give you more options on how you can break it down even further. So as your team members are working on it, they can even switch it to progress or completed. You can also assign how out of urgency, how important you want it to be. So we'll just keep that at medium. You can even write notes and add a checklist. So you can go, post number 1, post number 2, post number 3. You can also add any attachments for their reference. It can be a link within Microsoft Teams or from SharePoint. And what I kind of like to do as well is click the show card. So when you click over it will save it automatically. So showing the card will show you the subcategories of the task within the planner. So I find that's quite handy to see an overview, and as your staff members are working on it, they can click it as they go, and as they click it, it just disappears. And if you go into it here, see it's crossed out. So I thought that's quite a cool feature. So if you wanted to break it down further, you can also switch to charts, break it down into the buckets that we created before, where things are sitting at. Are they in progress? Are they late? who's completed what, which is quite handy. And there's all the tasks broken down on the right hand side as well. You can also see how it's scheduled on the calendar view. So it's really just personal preference. You can also view it who is assigned to. So if it's unassigned, is it assigned to yourself? Is it assigned to a staff member? Where things are progressed as well, the due dates, the priority as well. So you can, there's literally endless options on how you want to, how you personally want to view it, and yeah, it's all just personal preference. Okay, and another quick option that you can do with the planner is you can also click this little clog system on the left hand side, click planner, and that will bring up all your tasks within every single planner. So you most likely will have a planner for each and every team within your organization, and it does get time consuming switching between teams and planners every single time. So I found this is a really good shortcut code to see all your planners in one tab. And you know, obviously I don't have many at the moment, but if I had lots of them, it would be built out all throughout here, and you can see exactly what work's assigned to you, and not your whole organization, as it can get pretty overwhelming. You can click on your activity, and that will show everything you've been working on as well, everything like that. So that's the planner, guys. Highly recommend using it within Microsoft Teams. We've been using it for well over a year now, and we find it really handy, especially when you're dealing with multiple projects and team members and contractors and stuff like that. So if you are interested in learning more about Microsoft Teams, please don't hesitate to reach out. We could do a 30-minute free consultation call for you guys, where we can break down more detail about Microsoft Teams and how you can transition your company to work online, work remotely, anywhere, anytime. I know it's crazy times at the moment with this virus going on, so it's absolutely essential to have this set up for your company, because I can guarantee this is not the only time that this kind of thing will happen. Okay, well, appreciate your time and watching this, guys, and take care and look after yourself.